Hi, today I'm going to show you a feature that's in Outlook called FindTime. And this is really useful if you're organising meetings where you want a number of people in your organisation to attend. So let me take you straight over to the screen where I've got a meeting that I'm trying to set up. So in this meeting, I would like to invite a few people. So instead of just going through and guessing what time they could come, I'm going to use this new meeting poll, and you can see it gives me instructions here on the right, and it tells me to pop in any required attendees in the to line and anybody who's optional in the CC. So let's just do that. Okay, so now we've got our people in. It's changed on the right hand side so that we can see their availability if they're within our organisation. Now, today's the 8th of February, and I can see the availability of people in my team. If I just check this out, what you'll notice is that some people will have some red against their names. And so that means that they're busy. Well, that one happens to be me. I'm busy. And this one is my colleague Sue. She's busy then. So I know that if I want to pull us all together for a meeting, that won't work. And if I want to look at the next day, I can just go here. And you can see I've got a tentative appointment there. And there's another one that I've got. So there's one where Sue's a bit busy. And you can see how you can sort of work on a time that everybody could make. So if I pop in a time, maybe tomorrow at 1:30, then I click on next. So I've selected the time, click on next just here. Then I can, if I want to enter a location where my meeting is going to take place, I can now add this to the email. And what this does is it creates another email, which is the one you actually send, with everybody in. And the invitation is created by FindTime. So if I sent that off, then my colleague can vote on it. So just to show you what happens if we do that, they would have their times available on this. So if I click in Sue here, for example, she can say what she prefers, or she can say yes or no to a certain appointment time. She can also propose another time if she can't make that one. So this is quite nice. I like this. You can see how other people voted. And if I sent it off, then, I'm going to start getting all the real responses into the meeting. So I think this is worth a look. It's called FindTime. And if I just close that off, you'll find new meeting poll when it's available to you up there on your ribbon inside your appointment in Outlook. So as always, tell me what you think. Have you got it now? Are you using it? Is it useful to you? And let's see whether this is going to be a really popular addition to Outlook.